Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over a center floor exercise that you can use to warm up your feet or use in your classes, however you feel like. So this one focuses on the paradiddle. So if you're not familiar with it or want to practice it a little bit more, I would recommend going back and watching my video on the paradiddle first. I will link that in the description below. And then come back to this one and we can get going here. So you're going to do a paradiddle with a heel drop in between. So you're going to start with your left heel drop into a right foot dig. So it'll go heel dig. Okay. So again, heel dig. And then from here, you're going to go spank heel step. Okay. Leaving that right foot heel up because we're going to use it in a minute. Okay. So again, you have heel dig, spank, heel step. Okay, you're going to do the same thing on your left side, but now your right foot is going to do the heel drop. So right foot's going to go heel drop, left foot dig, then spank, heel step. Okay, so that's 2 in a row. Okay, let's give that a try. Starting on your right foot, but you're starting with that left foot heel dig. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it starts on the and of 1. So it'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and a 2, and 3 and a 4. Okay. From here, you're going to do a heel drop left, dig right. Okay. Spank, heel, shuffle. So from here, spank, heel, shuffle. Heel on your left, and then again, dig, spank, heel, step. So dig, spank, heel, step. Then you would start the whole combo again on your right foot. Okay, let's go over that kind of transition part, that third part. So we just finished our first 2. And here we go. Left foot's going to do a heel drop. Heel dig, spank, heel, shuffle. Heel dig, spank, heel, step. Okay, so you're going to do 2 of the regular and then that third kind of transition. Okay, let's give it a try 3 times. So that's the first 2 and then the third one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Good. Now let's try left side. So you're going to start heel dig, or excuse me, that right heel drop. Right heel drop into a left heel dig. And then starting spank heel step. Then right side. And here's where you're going to do the transition, but it's going to be on your left side. So heel drop right, dig left, spank heel shuffle, heel dig, spank heel step. And then you'd start it all over again. Left foot heel drop, starting your right foot. So try left side again. We just finished. So right heel drop, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. Okay, so let's try 2 times in a row, the whole thing 2 times in a row. So starting right foot and then switching to left side. Here we go. So left foot is doing that drop. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Excuse me, I messed up. Let's restart. Again, left side into right side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. Good, and you can just kind of keep repeating this until you feel done. Sometimes what I do with my students is I start slow and then I just kind of keep gradually increasing the speed, seeing if they can keep up with me. So let's try a little bit faster. Again, right side into left side, 2 times through. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time, maybe a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Nicely done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.